In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI animated stories with ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to bring your story ideas to life through animation, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore this creative process together. First, you need to visit the ChatGPT website. This powerful tool is the backbone of our story creation. Start by typing ChatGPT into your browser and hitting enter. Once you're on the site, you'll have access to a versatile AI that can help craft the narrative of your animated story. Having everything you need in one place makes this journey quite seamless. Now, let's plan your story. Before jumping into scripting, it's crucial to lay down the foundation of your storyline. Think about your story's theme, the characters involved, and the setting. Allow your imagination to roam free, as this will anchor the direction your animation will take. At this stage, it might be helpful to jot down some notes or create a simple outline to guide you through the upcoming steps. Next, generate a script with dialogues using ChatGPT. The AI can assist you by providing ideas or filling out story details you might have missed. Simply input the basic plot or character traits, and ChatGPT can suggest creative dialogues and narrative twists. If you're ever stuck on how a character should respond, the AI is there to enhance your storytelling, making it more engaging. Once the script is ready, it's time to create visuals with AI tools. There are various tools available that can transform your words into stunning visuals. Tools like Midjourney or Dolly offer a range of styles to match the tone of your story. Upload your script or summaries and let the AI handle the visual creation. This process can be a bit experimental, so feel free to play around with different outputs until you find what fits best. Adding voice and narration is our next focus. It's time to bring your characters to life with spoken words. There are narration tools available that can either help you use your voice or create AI-generated voices. Select tones and paces that align with your story's mood to keep the audience engaged. Remember, the voice can make or break the immersion in your narrative. Now that you have your script, visuals, and voiceovers, assembling everything in a video editor is next. Choose an editor that you're comfortable with. Programs like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or even simpler online editors can suffice. Here, you'll synchronize the visuals with the voiceovers, ensuring smooth transitions to maintain the story's flow and impact. Finally, it's time to polish and publish. Review your video for any discrepancies, fine-tune the transitions, and double-check the synchronization between voice and visuals. Once satisfied, upload your creation onto your preferred platform. Presenting your animated story to an audience and sharing your now animated tales can be incredibly rewarding. Happy storytelling!